Okay, good morning. In this problem, it's a level up from the simple ones that we solved in the last video with triangles, squares, and circles. Um, this is a full grid, and essentially it's saying this row added together is 28, which would be a purple triangle, a blue square, another blue square, and another purple triangle add up to 28. This row adds up to 30, this to 18, this to 20, this column adds to 22, this one to 23, this one to 30, and this one to I don't know. And the question is, what is this number? So similar to what we did with the writing triangle, circle, and square, to find it in terms of a diamond, we have to write equations. So we have to think, what math can we get from here? Okay, pause the video, try to solve, and come back out. Okay, so actually we get a lot of information from this, right? We got all of this. This is 20. We got all of this, so we got 7 equations. The way that I did it was to look at these two first, because they have a common term. So if I subtract one from the other, then I will be some way to solving it. So if I take away this from this, I get something simpler. Both of the three C's disappear, and we get left with 3C minus 3C is nothing, S minus T is S minus T, and 20 minus 18 is 2. Right? So if I do this one minus this one, I get that S minus T is 2, or S equals T plus 2. Okay, so now I can write S in terms of T. I can put this S into here, and I have a whole thing. Some amount of T's is 28. Right? So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put this into here and get 2T plus 2T plus 2 equals 28. And when I simplify that, I get 2T plus 2T plus 4 equals 28. Take away 4 from both sides, and I get 4T is equal to 24, and T is equal to 6. Okay, so I've solved what is a triangle. Sorry, did I not mention? I called the triangles T, the squares S, the hexagons H, and the circles C. Should have mentioned that, but that's what I did. Okay, so I get a triangle is equal to 6. Then I can solve for S, right? Because I know that S is 2 bigger than triangle. So now S is 6 plus 2, which is 8. Okay, so I know what is um I know what is T, it's 6, I know what is S, it's 8, and I will then try to solve, what else do I need? I need H and I need C. Okay, so I can work through this. I have T and I have S, so I can solve this, and I can solve this, and I can solve any other one I want to, but I'm going to choose these two. So for this one, it's T plus S plus 2C is 22. Okay, T is 6, S is 8, plus 2C is 22. So I take away the 8 from both sides, I take away the 6 from both sides, and I get 2C is equal to 8, and C is 4. Okay, then I'm going to do this one to solve for H. And I got S is 8 plus H plus 2C. C is 4. So 2C is 8. equals 23. And I will take away 8 and take away 8 again to get 7. So 8 to 7. Okay, then I can finally work out my the answer to your question, which is over here. And I know my triangle is what? 6. My hexagon is 7. My circle is 4. And another circle is 4. So 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 is 21. Answer that.